TV322 radar identified, climb to flight level 70 unrestricted and confirm passing altitude.
We are passing 3000 now.
Roger.
Continue 70 quickly, please.
Up.
Sir, request direct Buldi traffic permitting. India 514.
Stand by, say again, stand by.
Standing by Air India 514.
Iraqi 446, expedite passing flight level 120.
Expedite passing 120, Iraqi 446.
Check.
India 127, contact radar 124.55.
55, good day.
Flight 26 Charlie Juliet, turn right heading 075, Kelsa support channel 10. India 514, proceed direct to Buldi.
Direct Buldi, Air India 514. What is localized around 10, area 463.
Area 463, speed 160 knots, contact R 118.1.
1181, 160, area 463, bye.
Bye, sir.
Delhi Tower, good morning, area 463, established localized around 110.
Arabia 460, Delhi Tower, continue approach runway 10, surface wind, calm.
See, approach runway 10, Arabia 463.
India 948, descend to 2600 feet, QNH 1010.
Descend to 2600, QNH 1010, and now for 8.
Star 984, Nashka, sir, descend to flight level 90.
Descend to flight level 90, Star 984.
Let's localize.
Check.
Iraqi 446, contact R 124.55.
12455, Iraqi 446, bye.
Bye.
Julia 2, and now for 8.
India 948, approved after repeating via Juliet 2, turn left on kilo.
Last level
Left and clear now,
2600 set.
Check.
Okay, speed manage.
Check.
Runway inside.
Check.
Flap 3, please.
Speed check. Upstream.
Flap full.
Speed check. Full.
Landing checklist.
Landing checklist. Ika memo.
Landing Noblo.
Cabin.
Cabin is ready.
Landing chile complete. Standing by for clearance.
Check.
Round in and for 8.
Arabia 460, runway 10, clear to land, surface wind, calm.
Clear to land, runway 10, area 463. Clear to land.
948, taxi via Kilo Alpha, hold short of Papa Nano.
Kilo Alpha, hold short of Papa, hold short of second.
Short of Papa 9.
Papa 9, and for 8.
$1,000. 1,000 check.
Check.
Namaskar, Star 984.
Star 984, namaskar, continue approach runway 10, surface wind, calm.
Continue approach runway 10, Star 984.
Okay, autopilot off, I have control.
Check.
Cat 3 single.
Check.
Cat 1.
Check.
400. 100 above.
Land.
Checked.
Minimum.
Continue.
Check. Spoilers. Reverse wind diesel. Next one to the right, unit 2, 70 knots.
Arabia 46 has 8 runway via Juliet 2, thereafter turn right on kilo.
Unit 2 on right on kilo, Arabia 463. Check.
India 948, contact ground 121.625.
12165 now for today.
Today.
Tower Thai 332, good morning, ready for departure.
Thai 332, heavy Delhi tower, good morning. Hold at holding point runway 10 on kilo 6.
Alright, holding point runway 10, kilo 6, Thai 332.
Yeah, left side to the right on kilo.
Vistara 984, runway 10, clear of west wind calm.
Runway 10, clear to land with
The
Sara
red bar I think
984.
is for coming inside the unit 2, yeah.
Arabia 468, contact ground 121.9.
121.9 on kilo, Arabia 463, thank you. Telegram, good morning, Arabia 463 on taxiway kilo.
Arabia 463, continue taxi kilo, link 33, November, hold short November 1.
Continue taxiway kilo, link 33, November, hold short of November 1, Arabia 463. So we continue straight ahead. Link 33 is coming to the left on the second one. Okay, and then is November to the right, and then November 1. Yeah, this is link 33. So we turn to the left.
Okay.
And then to the right on November.
Okay.
So after landing checklist.
Please.
Radar and brake windshield.
Off.
After landing checklist complete.
Okay, right clear, turning left.
Check clear left side.
After right November, right?
Yes, correct. Right November, straight ahead until November 1. Culture of November 1.
Turning right clear.
Check.
Telegram, good morning, this is Victor Tango Alpha Lima Foxtrot.
Alpha Lima Foxtrot, say again for pay to base.
From 244 to Stan Alpha 13, Victor Lima Foxtrot.
Stand by.
Standing by Victor Lima Foxtrot.
It's very big airport, huh?
Yeah, really big. Amazing, the 350, the new one.
Which one?
350 for Air India.
Yeah.
2766.
After 2766, taxi number 5, turn left, November. November 7, kilo 6, holding point 10.
November 5, November 7, kilo 6, holding point 10, apply 2766.
Approaching link 2, Victor Tango Indian from Mike.
Victor Tango Indian from Mike, turn right, link 2, start Alpha 09 left.
Right on link 2 to Alpha 09 left, Victor Tango Indian from Mike.
Arabia 463, continue taxi on November Charlie. Link 1, stand is Bravo 15, right.
November Charlie, link 1, confirm the last part, please.
Link 1, stand Bravo 15, right.
Bravo 15. Okay, November Charlie, link 1, and Bravo 15, right, Arabia 463. So we continue straight ahead. November Charlie. Yes, November, we continue, and then Charlie, then link 1, stand Bravo, right. Yeah, as you mentioned, the area, this area, okay? Apron 32.
Okay, sir, but...
so straight ahead, we are on November,
so you have not taken
and
right
then
left?
at the end, we're going to turn on Charlie.
I will take left turn. There is nowhere to stop.
Roger. Arabia 463, hold short of November 5.
Hold short of November 5, Arabia 463. Yeah, because he's going to taxi, I think.
After 2766, confirm you can hold position at some other place.
Affirmative, sir. Where do we wish?
For the turn left on November and join Charlie and okay, turn right on November 6. November 6, hold short kilo on November 6.
Copy, sir. Turn turn left on November, they have to turn right on November 6, hold short of kilo on November 6. Copy, thank you.
Yes.
Ground Namaskar, flight 291 Yankee.
Arabia 463, hold short number 5 due traffic not clear.
Yeah, alright, traffic inside, holding short November 5, Arabia 463.
So November 5.
After 291 Yankee, join link 33, November stand 232.
Okay, we'll take link 33 November and standard 232. I flight 291 Yankee.
Telegram Victor Tango Victor Eco, approaching link 2.
Tango Victor to turn right, link to send Bravo 1 line left.
Right to Bravo 19 left, Tango Victor Eco.
Arabia 463, clear of Indigo, taxi has cleared, join Charlie, link 1, star Bravo 15 right.
Clear of traffic, continue straight ahead to Charlie, link 1, Bravo 15 right, Arabia 463. Check.
Charlie, the first one, right?
Yes, correct.
Right, clear, turning left.
Check left. Link 1 is the first one to the left.
Checked.
Victor Tango Alpha Lima Foxtrot,
Right,
pushback approach
left.
facing west.
Charlie left.
Facing west, report when ready for taxi, what Victor Lima Foxtrot.
Yes, sir.
This is Alpha. After that, it come Bravo.
Yes, correct. Here, Bravo 15. Marshals are inside.
Yeah.
Windwalkers.
You can't tell this standing, you know.
Yeah.
Ground, Victor Lima Foxtrot, ready for taxi boat.
Lights off, please.
Victor Lima Foxtrot, taxi boat by November Charlie. Link 1 stand Alpha 13. Confirm your destination base.
Confirm sir, it's Alpha 13, Victor Lima Foxtrot.
Touch.
November Charlie,
That's line.
link 1 to stand Alpha 13, Victor Lima Foxtrot.
Telegram Victor Tango Victor Echo, fully marked at Bravo 19 left, good day.
Good day.
Clear left.
Clear right, clear.
Check. Bad.
Bleed on, please, Captain.
Check.